My first $1,000 day was a day that I'd never forget. I walked out of my home with my Labrador Jim, and I'd already had a good day. You know, I'd already done, I think it was about $755 as I walked out the door, and that was just incredible, because up until that point I'd never made that amount of money in a day, and not long before that point I was completely broke and in a real bad place. So just to know that this was achievable was incredible. So I walked out the door and I was about $750 in affiliate commissions. Me and Jim walked out, we started walking down the hill. I got the phone to my mum and I was, saying to my mum, having a really good day, mum, lots of money coming in, and like the commissions are coming in every sort of few minutes. And while I was on the phone to her, they were literally pinging in on my phone. And the feelings that you get when you've come from a place where you've got no hope and you suddenly find yourself in a place with a lot of hope are just incredible. They really are. So we carried on walking down the hill. And then I remember as we got to the bottom of the hill, we turned right, we crossed over the road, and I stood with Jim for a second. I got my phone, I looked at my phone, I checked the commissions, and it had gone over $1,000. And at that point, my eyes welled up with tears and the hairs on my arms stood on end, because I knew that everything was going to be okay. And that was such a relief, such a relief. I'd come from such a bad position, and in a short period of time, I'd managed to pull myself out of that. And just to see that, and also to know that it wasn't like just one sale that came in that changed everything. It'd been happening all day, sale after sale after sale after sale. And so there was some consistency there, and there was a little bit of, I suppose, reliability. It was a bit more solid. Like if it was one sale and that person said, all right, I'm going to refund, then everything just crumbles again, doesn't it? But it wasn't. There were a lot of sales. So if you want to know how could you get to $1,000 day, let me tell you in the simplest terms that I can. For a start, to get to the point where you can make affiliate commissions with the click of a button, that means by sending an email broadcast to thousands of people in one go, you really need to become a creator, a product creator, a digital product creator, so that you're the vendor, because then every time you make a sale, you get the buyer's email address. Now, it's not difficult to do that. It sounds a bit daunting, but it's not difficult. And I want you to know that you can do this. I've seen so many different people in this industry absolutely crush it and come from nowhere to making insane amounts of money, that I know that anybody can do this. It doesn't matter who you are, all right? So as I always say, your age doesn't matter. If you're young, great. If you're older, it doesn't matter. I was 50, all right? When I started this, I was 50. So you can turn your life around in a very short period of time. You just need to have faith in yourself. So you want to become a vendor, a creator. Now, I've got training that will teach you how to do that. My commissionable training will teach you every single thing you need to know. There's a link below this video for you to go and check that out. That will take you from beginner through to affiliate, through to vendor, product creator, and the whole thing. But if you can become a creator, and with AI that makes it a lot easier these days, then you can create digital products for free. They don't cost anything to create. And literally you can be in the shower, you can think, oh, that'd be a good idea. And you can go and create it, and then you can sell it. Now, when you sell it, you get the buyer's email address. But the really powerful trick is to launch it, publish it on a site like MunchEye.com, launch it on a platform like WarriorPlus.com, and I've got training, you'll see on my channel, I've got training on all of this stuff. But launch it and then get affiliates to promote for you. If you get those affiliates to promote for you, then those affiliates will be sending broadcasts to their list to get an affiliate commission out of your product. And every single time any of those buyers buy from any of those affiliates, you're the one who gets the buyer's email address. And that is where the power is, because then what you can do is you can launch a product, you can get a ton of buyers' email addresses, and then you can go and look for an affiliate product to promote, as I did on that day. Then when you mail that with your fresh buyers' leads, you get the affiliate commissions, and it's a lot easier. It's the closest to push button riches that you can get. Now, I was promoting a product on a platform called JVZoo. I can't remember the product, I just remember the day. And I do know that it was at that point that I realized that this whole thing could work. And my goal is to help as many other people as possible to see that, because as we go through life, it's easy to lose hope. That's my favorite 4-letter word. If you've got hope, then you've got something to look forward to. You've got a reason to be happy. You've got a reason to feel content inside because you've got hope. And you can get hope if you know, like if you're in a situation where your finances are struggling, like mine were, you know that you can do something about that. And if you just follow that path, then you can achieve great success. Now, I'm not saying that it's easy, and I'm not saying that you can do it with no work. You do need to work at this. You do need to put some commitment in, but if you do it, you will see the benefits, and the sooner you start, the better. So I would suggest if you want to get to $1,000 per day, first thing to do is start with affiliate marketing and put in some videos on YouTube. Review some products that are launched on WarriorPlus, JVZoo. Go to MunchEye to find those, review the products, get some sales, and work out what works for you to get those sales. And if you can discover something in that process, for example, you might become really good at doing reviews, really good at putting a review together, or really good at doing a slideshow that you do you record your screen over the top. You might get really good at creating bonuses. You might get really good at doing digital graphics and AI stuff with Midjourney. If you get good at something, then make a product out of what you got good at and then launch that product. That is a great way to go forward. If you got some success, let's say you got some success through review videos on YouTube and you made some money, make a course that teaches people what you did, because you were brand new. They'll be brand new and you can teach them, and then you've got something really, really powerful that you can launch following that process. So in simple steps, come up with the idea for your product, create that product. You can use AI to help you. I wouldn't recommend you use AI to create the product because I still think it smells a bit of AI, to be honest with you. But you could, for example, go to YouTube, do a search, how to, and then what I do is the alphabet. How to A, how to B, how to C, and go all the way through, all right? You might decide that you want to do how to make A, how to make B, how to make C, or how to make money with A, B, C, and see what comes up. You'll see then what people are searching for and what's popular, and so then you can create a product on that. So either something that you've got experience with or something completely fresh based on what people are searching for on YouTube, and then take the information from those videos so you can then create a product. The simple way to do that is on each video, you go into the description, show more, click on show transcript, then up on the top right hand corner there'll be 3 dots. You toggle the timestamps, that takes all the times out. You copy all of that, you paste it into ChatGPT, and then you say, summarize this for me. You do that with 3 or 4 videos on the same subject, and then you say, using unique words and unique sentences, take all that information and create a product for me that I can record as a video program, and then it will do that for you. That's the way to use AI. Then proofread through that, make sure it sounds like a human created it rather than AI, and you're on your way to having your digital product. Now for ease, you can have your videos uploaded on YouTube unlisted, and then you can put links to those in a Google Doc, and then you can give the access shareable link on the Google Doc as the link for people to find that product when they buy it. That's how you get your product online. Go and list it on a site like WarriorPlus, have a front end, an OTO 1, that's upgrade 1, OTO 2, and OTO 3. OTO 1 could be the advanced strategies, tips and tricks. OTO 2 could be done for you, and that could literally be a Google Doc with a load of done for you text in there, done for you prompts, done for you ideas, whatever it is that you were creating. And OTO 3 could be resellers or license rights to the whole program. But the crucial thing is that you actually start doing this. So look, first of all, if you're getting any value out of this or any of my videos, please help me to help you. This is a free way to help me to help you. Just give this video a thumbs up. Then in the comments below, show some commitment, put some skin in the game and say, yes, Trev, I'm going to give this a go. I will personally reply to you. So do that now so you're committed to giving this a go. And then get to work on researching your product, creating your product, recording your videos, putting them into a Google Doc, setting it up on Warrior Plus, go to MunchEye, choose a date to launch, and then let's see what happens. I like to call these first launches soft launches because they're not real full-blown launches, because nobody will know you and you might not get a lot of attention, but you might, and you just don't know. But if you've got just a few sales, that would be fantastic. You'd have your list growing, but also you'd have the experience in what you did. Now there is a product as well. You could then teach people how to do that whole, what I've just told you, and there's another product there as well. But the important thing is that you get started, you get that ball rolling, and also that you've got faith in yourself and in your abilities. Believe in yourself, all right? And do not listen to the naysayers. Don't listen to the people that tell you, oh, that's a load of rubbish, that's never gonna work. Trust me, when I had that $1,000 day, it was just such an amazing feeling. I was so grateful, and I've never looked back since. Since then, I've gone on to do millions of dollars online, and I am truly grateful every single day. I love what I do, and I love helping people. So thumbs up, comments below, yes, Trev, I'm gonna give this a go. I'll personally reply to you. You get started, and let's make some money. I'll speak to you soon. All the best.